Good morning, kids. Welcome to SHIVAJI Group of Institution. I am Shivani Manna, your science teacher. Kids, your second term examination course starts. So open your science book, chapter 5, that is plant reproduction. In plant reproduction, we read the topic sexual reproduction, dispersal of seeds, and the last one is vegetative reproduction. So first topic is our plant reproduction. Plant reproduction is divided into two parts. First is sexual reproduction, second asexual reproduction. As asexual reproduction in higher plants, asexual reproduction is called vegetative reproduction. Clear, student? Plant reproduction is divided into two parts. First sexual reproduction, second asexual reproduction. In higher plants, asexual reproduction is called vegetative reproduction. Our next topic is sexual reproduction. So what is sexual reproduction? Reproduction in plants takes place sexually and asexually as well, but the majority of the flowering plants reproduce sexually. The flower is the reproductive part of the plant, that is both male and female gametes are produced by flowers. Sexual reproduction in plant takes place in flower. The complete flower typically consists of four parts, that is petals, sepals, stamen. Stamen is called male reproductive plants, pistil or carpel, that is female reproductive part. Student, sexual reproduction, and here you understand, I explain you about sexual reproduction. Now you see that is the diagram of a life cycle of a plant. First is you see seeds. What is this, kids? Seeds. After the seeds, the next stage is new young plant. As you see, there is plant that is young, that is leaves are coming. After this stage, matured plants are there. In matured plants, flowers, fruits, leaves, all are grow. And after that, fruit is coming. In matured plant, fruit is there. In fruits, as you see, this fruit is half cut, and this, as you see, there is a seed. After this, this process is repeat. That is the means, again these seeds, we take the seeds and go it in the ground, and new young plant, after that new young plant is there. After some times, this new young plant comes into new young matured plant. After matured plant, fruit is coming, and this process is coming again. So that is the complete process of life cycle of a plant. So sexual reproduction, I repeat it, you can see in your book, the formation of new plant through the fusion of male and female gamete is called sexual reproduction. Student, in sexual reproduction involves three major steps. First is pollination, second fertilization, third fruit and seed formation. So what is pollination? The process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called pollination. Pollination is the process that enables the plant in reproduction. Okay, students. Our next topic is fertilization. So kids, our next topic is fertilization. Fertilization. That is the diagram of a plant, as you see. Kids, this is the pollen grains and this is called stigma. This is a style, this part is called style, and this is called ovary, and it is, what is this? This is the egg nucleus. and here you show 2 points, that is the 2 male nuclei, and this one is pollen tubes. Now I am going to explain you fertilization. Pollen grains germinate with stigma and develop pollen tubes. Pollen tubes, where is pollen tubes? That is the pollen tube. The pollen tubes grow downward the style. Where is style? Style grow downward the styles and enter into the ovary. As you see, this style is enter the ovary. Ovary where egg are present, and pollen tube, it is a carrier of male gametes. So finally, when male gametes fuses with the female gametes, and this complete process is called fertilization. I repeat it again. Kids, this is the pollen grain, this is stigma, this part is style, and this 2 point is 2 male nuclei, that is ovary, and this is egg and pollen tubes. Pollen grains growth stigma and germinate stigma and growth pollen tube. Pollen tube go downward into the style and enter in the ovary. Ovary, the eggs are present. In pollen tubes, male gametes are present. In pollen tube, male gametes are there. Means pollen tubes is the carrier of male gametes. And finally, the male gametes fuses with the female gametes. This complete process is called fertilization. Okay, students. Our next topic is formation of seeds. After fertilization, there is some changes in flower. That is, the flower loses its bright color. The sepal and petals are stem and falls off. The ovary increases in size and becomes a fruit. The ovary wall becomes the fruit wall. And the last is inside the ovary, the ovule develop into the seeds. I repeat this again, formation of seeds. After fertilization, there is some changes in flower, like the flower loses its bright color, the petals, sepals, stamens falls off, the ovary increases in size and becomes a fruit, the ovary wall becomes fruit wall. Inside the ovary, ovules develop into the seeds. So kids, today I take topic plant reproduction and sexual reproduction and fertilization and formation of seeds. We will continue this topic chapter in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.